Hi everybody, Mark Smith from Smyth Performance. If you're on this mailing list, you know what we do here. We turn the trucks or the cars into pickup trucks. But I have a question for you today. You have one or two that you're going to pick. The market for these trucks is split in half. I've got on one side, people that want something like a Scion Xb, a Beetle, but a Jeep even, but they want it as inexpensive as possible. They're starting with $1,000, $2,000 car, and they want to turn it into a truck, but they don't want to spend 4, 5, 10 grand doing it. On the other side of the coin, I've got somebody who buys a brand new Dodge Charger and basically like a 2022 Scat Pack or something that's been hit in the back gently, buys it on Copart for 30 grand, 25 grand, and turns that into a pickup truck. So obviously I have the high end, people taking practically new cars. We'll call it the Mark 6 Jetta on up, whether it's a 300 or a Charger or any other car that's in really good shape that you're turning into a truck. And then I have the people that want to do the whole thing for $2,500. Now I get it, I really do. I'm torn on each side myself. And as we pack up, we're split here. We have some high-end Chargers. We have some very, very bare bones Jetta kits where the customers deleted the rear window. Remember, just the tailgate with the hardware and everything is $200, right? You can go on eBay and check out the prices on Ford Ranger parts. But in our world here, the existing quality that we're doing, each sheet of aluminum, we take these 5 by 10 pieces of aluminum. They're 1/8 of an inch thick. I mean, we're into this $1,500 worth of aluminum alone. So there's no such thing as a $2,000 kit when the raw material adds up to $1,500, and that's without fiberglass. So fiberglass, aluminum, tailgates, hinges, latches, you get it, right? If I did design a kit that was at $2,500, just under 3 grand, and we designed it specifically for being an inexpensive, super do-it-yourself kit, right? Is that something you guys want? Reply to this video, just answer and say yes. I would like an inexpensive kit. No, stick with the high-end, 4 grand plus kits that have everything it takes to build the car, right? The other thing is, I'm asked daily, can you do a kit for an XB? Can you, Scion Xb, those long-lasting Toyotas, right? Are you gonna ever do one for a Ford Flex? Are you ever gonna do blank, we'll call it. If you have a kit that you're thinking I should make, a car that should be turned into a truck, and you think there's a market for it. Remember, I can't do 5 of something. It makes no financial sense, right? It takes a long time to make these cars or design these kits. So if you have a kit that you think we should make, respond with the year range of the car you want to make and respond with the model, of the car. So for instance, a first gen Scion, 2000 to 2004, or whatever that range is, right? Let me know what that car is that you want me to make. Until next time, that's the end of video. So do you want a less expensive kit, as if I put engineering into it as much as I can to make it less expensive? Or do you want me to continue with the super high aluminum content, molded, hinges, doors, latches, windows, everything included kind of a kit? And then number 2, what kits in the future would you like me to make? And just respond to this email and let me know what your thoughts are. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.